Hello friends, today we are to see next reaction, that is Wittig reaction. Wittig reaction is the reaction by which we can prepare different types of alkenes. When aldehyde or ketone reacts with organophosphorus reagent. So here R C double bond O R dash, or that is aldehyde or ketone. This R dash may be alkyl or hydrogen. So this can be aldehyde or ketone. When it reacts with organophosphorus reagent, that is ylide. So here this is PH3 and here double bond CH2. This is called as ylide. When this aldehyde or ketone reacts with organophosphorus reagent in the solvent such as THF, DMF or DMSO, so we get product R C double bond. Now here this oxygen is replaced by using this carbon group, that is alkylidine group. Here there is only CH2, so we get here this CH2. So this alkene is prepared from this carbonyl compound. So simply oxygen of this compound is replaced using alkylidine group and gives alkenes as a product. So we can prepare suitable or desirable alkenes using Wittig reaction. When aldehyde or ketone reacts with ylide in THF or DMF or DMSO, gives alkene as a product. So how we can synthesize this organophosphorus reagent? So here synthesis of organophosphorus reagent. When triphenylphosphine, this phosphorus having lone pair of electron, reacts with alkyl halide such as CHCl, and here this is R, or this is CH2R. So this is primary alkyl halide. When this phosphorus attacks here, this Cl departed and we get here this phosphonium salt PH3. Here this phosphorus is having positive charge and here this is CH2R and here there is Cl minus. So this is triphenyl phosphonium chloride. So here this is phosphonium salt. We get. Now this further reacts with strong base such as phenyl lithium. This hydrogen taken by the strong base such as phenyl and gives this ylide CH minus. Here this is R, here this is PH3. This can be converted to this organophosphorus reagent CH double bond PH3. This is called as ylide. Now when this ylide reacts with carbonyl compound, gives alkene as a product. During this progress of reaction, we get first intermediate, that is butane. Butane is converted into cyclic intermediate, that is oxophosphetane. This oxophosphetane undergoes ring cleavage, gives alkene and triphenyl phosphine oxide as a product. So in this way, here we have to see the mechanism of reaction. When we see carbonyl compound such as R C double bond O R dash, when it reacts with this reagent, that is CH, this R PH3, and this is negative charge. So here this is acts as a nucleophile. First this attacks here and electron density goes to oxygen. So carbonyl carbon acts as electrophile and this carbanion of this ylide acts as a nucleophile. So here this is organophosphorus reagent, that is ylide, reacts with this, gives this R C O minus, this R dash, this is CH R, this is P PH3, and this is called as betaine. This betaine intermediate we get, and this betaine undergoes cyclization, gives this oxaphosphitane PH3, this is R dash, and here this is R. Now this oxaphosphitane undergoes ring cleavage. So this is ring cleavage takes place. So here we get this breaking of this ring, double bond formation here, and this triphenyl phosphine oxide is lost. So this is PH thrice P double bond O is lost, and we get product C double bond C R dash, and here this is CH R. So this alkene is obtained using Wittig reaction. So here this carbonyl compound reacts with ylide, gives alkene as a product. This ylide is organophosphorus reagent. Organophosphorus reagent can be prepared from triphenyl phosphine and alkyl halide, followed by treatment with strong base, gives this ylide. So this is the Wittig reaction, is very useful for the preparation of different types of alkenes. Whichever alkene we want to get, we can prepare it through this Wittig reaction. For this big work Wittig has done on the preparation of alkenes using organophosphorus reagent, he has been awarded with Nobel Prize. So this Wittig reaction is giving us very useful kinds of alkenes. Now I have to see few applications of Wittig reaction. We can prepare highly substituted alkenes using this Wittig reaction, such as when we have examples such as benzophenone PH CO PH. When it reacts with reagents such as C PH double bond P PH 3, this lead is there. This lead reacts with benzophenone. Here this electron density goes to carbon, this carbon attacks here, and this oxygen is getting electron pair from this, and we get here this betaine intermediate. This is PH, this is PH, this is PH, and we have here this PH3. So this betaine is converted into oxaphosphitane. PH, this is here oxaphosphitane. This oxaphosphitane is undergoes ring cleavage, and we get here this highly substituted alkene. This is tetraphenyl ethylene. So highly substituted alkenes we can synthesize. Again we can have the different applications of this carbonyl compounds such as cyclohexanone. When this cyclohexanone reacts with ylide such as PH thrice P double bond, whichever carbon we have to attach here, we can get the ylide particular kind. So we have here this CH3. So this oxygen is replaced using this alkylidene compound. and PH3, this oxygen, that is triphenyl phosphine oxide, is lost. So we get here this double bond, that is cyclohexylidene compound. Carbon is having this methyl. So in this way we can prepare different types of alkylidene compounds or different types of alkenes using this. So this oxygen is replaced using alkylidene group. So we get here this alkene as a product. We can have the different types of alkenes. If we have to prepare C double bond C, here we have CH3, here we have CH3, here we have suppose hydrogen, here we have CH3. So we have to prepare this. So how we can get this? So we can have this carbonyl compound, we can have this ylide. So how we can get this carbonyl compound? So when we take acetone and it reacts with this ylide, so this is PH thrice P, and here CH3, double bond CH3. So when this reacts each other, this triphenyl phosphine oxide is lost, minus POPH3. So this is triphenyl phosphine oxide is lost and we get this compound as a product. So in this way we can get the desirable kinds of alkenes as a product. Again we can prepare different types of conjugated dienes. When we take here example of benzaldehyde PH, C double bond H, and when it reacts with ylide such as PH, CH double bond CH, here there is a CH double bond P, PH3. So here this phosphine oxide is lost and we get in THF, what we get? This PH, CH, now this CH linked to this CH double bond CH, single bond CH double bond CH, and there is PH. So in this way this is the conjugated diene. We can prepare using this Wittig reaction. So any suitable alkene we can synthesize using Wittig reaction. Particular kind of carbonyl compound we can get or we can take, and it can react with particular ylide. So by selecting suitable carbonyl compound, that is aldehyde or ketone, and suitable organophosphorus reagent, that is ylide, so it gives our desired alkene as a product. So in this way simple oxygen of carbonyl compound replaced using alkylidene compound gives alkene as a product. So this is the very important reaction for the synthesis of suitable alkenes. Thank you.